Shika studying 5th standard. Today I am going to explain how air occupies space. We need ingredient to experiment a glass and a paper about filled with the water. Now take the glass, put the paper inside the glass. Now we put the glass inside the water. Wait for few seconds. Now you take the glass and feel. You can feel the paper is dry. Let us see how. Because when we put the glass inside the water, the glass inside the water, the air remained into the glass and the water couldn't reach the paper. When the water couldn't reach the paper is dry. Let us try second time. Now you slightly tilt it. Now take the glass and feel. The paper is wet. Let us see how. At previous time we couldn't tilt. When we couldn't tilt the glass, the air is inside the glass. When we tilt the glass, the air is escaping from the glass and the water reaching the paper and the tissue getting wet. Hence we prove as air occupies space. Thank you.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.